Hello people, I'm Jose. I'm with Costa Rica Explorations and Costa Rica Escapes. I'm one of the guides. And today I'm going to show you how we make Agua Dulce, sweet water, which is a natural drink made out of sugar cane. So amigos, what you see over here, the powder, is what we call dulce. So the normal way to find it in the market is gonna be like a big chunk of sugar, which is brown, but right now it's very convenient because they grind it, and then this is what you see. This is going to be one of the drinks that you will get in your homestays, or in Costa Rica, if you don't drink coffee, this is one of the options that we have. So let me show you how we prepare it. So what we do, we put 4 big spoons of the powder into the coffee cup or into the cup. We just get our water, hot water. We just put it into the cup. So what we do, we just stir it. And then it can be sweet. And then you can put more sugar into the liquid if you want a sweeter. And in my case, I like it with milk, which is this one, leche. So we just put a little bit of it. And this is the agua dulce.